Hi friends, we are going to do a phonics page that is in this packet called regular verbs and verb tenses. So this is the first page that you'll see, and this is part of your mandatory choice board assignments. You're actually going to turn to the next page, which is called R controlled vowels, AR and OR. So on your choice board, you have some grammar and phonics lessons. There is a brain pop video for you to go and watch. So after this video, you can also go on and watch that to learn more about AR and OR. Maybe you already watched it also. But what we're going to do is I'm going to kind of walk you through how to fill in this worksheet. You're going to do some of it on your own, but we're going to start it off together. So basically on each of these phonics worksheets, you have a word bank of words that you're going to use. So in this word bank, we have arctic, form, born, forward, carnivores, shark, forest, and shark. They all have that long or that AR or OR sound. So it says R or OR. So the first set of directions say, write the spelling word that matches each definition. So definition is what a word means. So number one, large ocean fish that has many rows of teeth. You're going to be learning about this animal tomorrow, but if you look, I only see one animal. So this answer is shark. So go ahead and write down shark. And I'm going to put a little check mark next to it. Number two, a place where many trees grow. So where do many trees grow? The forest. Okay, good. So this one is pretty much just saying, what is this sentence talking about? Okay, so you're going to pause the video and do number 3, 4, and 5 on your own right now. All right, so you'll check your answers to those on Friday. But now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the next part. It says circle the incorrect word in each sentence, then write the spelling word that makes the sentence correct. So in each of these sentences, there is a misspelled word or an incorrect word rather. And we have to change it and make sure that it's spelled correctly. And we're going to use one of these words up here in our word bank. So it says, I was born in Anchorage, Alaska. So this word bone is incorrect. So it says circle the incorrect word. And I'm going to write born. All right, number 7. Be careful with that sharp knife. So sharp or shape is our incorrect word. And I need to spell sharp instead. Number 8, it says polar bears live in the attic. I hope polar bears don't live in my attic. So attic is incorrect, and we need to change it to Arctic. All right, I'm going to let you do the last 2 on your own. This one says tigers are cavities, and 4 lines of the same length from a square. So go ahead and pause the video and finish those 2. You will check your answers on Friday for those last 2. Now let's look over to page 81. So page 81 is kind of like a word sort. So this one is asking you to write the spelling words based on the number of syllables. And if you notice, there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many total words do we have? We have 8. So we're going to use each of these words one time. Okay? Okay, so one syllable, sometimes people like to clap it out or stamp or snap when they say it, or like feel the way their chin moves. So let's go ahead and look at all of our different words. So we have Arctic, born, carnivores, forest, form, forward, shark, and sharp. Now, kind of an easy way that you can tell about syllables is the vowels. Now, if a word only has one vowel or one vowel sound, that word only has one syllable. So if you look at the word shark, if I say shark, that only has one syllable. So I would put that here. And I'm going to put a check mark next to it because I know I need to use more words down here. And I also see the word sharp. Again, one vowel sound. And then we have the word form, one vowel sound, that or sound, and the word born, that has one syllable. Now, if we look at the next set, we need one with 2 syllables. But boys and girls, do you know what I notice? I notice there's one with 3 syllables. I'm going to go back and say these words and see if I can figure out which one has 3 syllables. Is it okay if I go out of order? Sure, why not, right? So, Arctic, forward, carnivores, forest. So which one had 3 syllables? Carnivores, right? Carnivores. Carnivores. So we're going to write that on number 8. So now I can assume, but I'm going to double check anyway, that the last 3 have 2 syllables. Arctic, forward, forest. So all 3 of those have 2 syllables. So now I'm going to write them right here. Now you have to make sure that you're spelling these words correctly since you have them right here in the word bank. All right, now moving on, number 9, 10, 11, 12, write a spelling word to complete each sentence. So we're going to do just 2 of these together and then I'll have you finish on your own. So it says some animals are herbivores and some are blank. So herbivores mean they eat plants. So some are carnivores, right? Excuse me. Predators have strong jaws and blank teeth. Think about a shark's teeth. How would you describe them? Sharp, right? So sharp teeth. Okay, you're going to do 11 and 12 on your own. Number 11 says, my mom always says, I will never forget the day you were blank. And number 12, please blank 2 lines outside of the auditorium. So when you're like lining up to get into some place. You'll check your answers for 11 and 12 on Friday. That's all for today, friends. Make sure you get that page completely finished. Bye.